job because it's more than just music. I'm helping craft an environment for people to take their next step and for people to make a decision that can affect the rest of their lives.
It was an incredible feeling to step behind a desk and to be behind all those faders, and so here I am.
The first thing is I'm going to touch a fader, and I'll know. You know, if the fader feels good, then I feel good. The very first week we put the MC² 36 in for the monitor console, we were simply checking inputs and we got instant feedback that, I don't know what you guys did, it just sounds better, and we had done nothing. It was just an instant gratification from all of our musicians that they loved the way it was sounded, and we had done absolutely nothing. It was just the preamp.
So with our Lawo consoles, the sound quality is incredible. We knew right away in our demo process that it beat out all of the other competitors in terms of quality, in terms of sound and flexibility. Some great and important features of a live console to me is to being able to get around on the console quickly, access channels and functions, because things in audio change at a blink of an eye. And so to be able to react very quickly and to be able to maneuver seamlessly throughout the desk is very, very important. The desk was very easy to learn. The format wasn't completely different from other consoles, but it did add new features that we didn't have with other desks that we've used here at Granger. The workflow, not only for me, but the rest of our team, came very quickly. With the desk, it just takes everything to a whole nother level.
We're the first church in America to put it in. We had some worry there, but within the first couple days, we knew we had made the right choice. We had great support all along the way, and we still have great support 4 months, 5 months in. I never feel like we need the support, but I know I'm comfortable knowing that I have it if I need it. I know that somebody is no more than a phone call away 24/7, and if I need somebody to be here tomorrow, somebody will be here tomorrow. And I love that. That's what I needed.
So here at Granger Community Church, we have a MC² 56 at front of house. We have an MC² 36 at monitors. We also have a Nova 37, and we have 2 compact IOs. One is on our stage and one is in our broadcast room. So with the implementation of the Nova 37, it allows us to interconnect all of our consoles, stage boxes, IO in a cloud format where you can easily access all the inputs and outputs of the system. Also, it allows us to expand into the future. If we add another console for broadcast or anything else in our facility, we can easily connect it to one central cloud using the Nova 37.
The Lawo MC² series is great. It sounds crystal clear. It's the only desk that wowed me. We demoed and heard tons of desks. We've worked with tons of desks. The MC² series is the only desk that actually sounded the way I wanted it to sound. My job is to really not know that I'm working, and so that the musicians can do what they need to do. The biggest challenge for us is having a music team that changes every single week. We probably see on the upwards of 40 musicians in a given month. So being able to mix well for all those people is probably our biggest challenge, and this desk helps us overcome that. The German manufacturing is all over this. It feels more like a Mercedes of the console rather than anything else.